Hello guys, welcome to DMOX Design Creatives, where we give 100% youth empowerment programs. And today we are going to do our last and final assignment on graphic designs. Remember, we have been putting assignments after lessons. We've had different lessons. We've had lesson after lesson after lesson of designs, and in between the lessons we've put a few assignments. We've had assignment 1, we've had assignment 2, we've had assignment 3, and finally now we have assignment 4. So today we're going to do our assignment 4, which is the final assignment on that course, and then after that you may decide to proceed to designing web designs. We will jump into web designs now that we are pros in designing on Figma. So do not hesitate. When you're done with this assignment, we will proceed to another level, which is a bit different, which we call user interface and user experience, which is basically for web designs, applications designs, for applications for mobile designs, and you will get the best designs. So please do this final assignment, and remember to share your assignment to dmoxcreatives@gmail, which is always provided below the assignment. After you're done with the assignment, you are going to share with that email, and then we will have a look at the assignment and give back your feedback to you. And after that, we will issue you with a certificate, of course a certificate that will help you market yourself, help you place yourself in the best position, help you place yourself in the position where your employer will want you to be, or place you in a position where you can give evidence to your client that you are a pro in designs. So thank you. Let's start our assignment. Assignment of today will only comprise of 2 questions. Question 1, let me increase the font so that we can have a nice view of the question. Let me change this. I think that one is too big. Let me do with 40. Let me see. I think this is okay. Question 1, right? Design a glass credit card. Design a glass credit card. Under this, you are required to give a nice background. You are also required to use a frame of your choice. Number 3, ensure that the card can be used in YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails. That's question 1. Question 2, design a neumorphic design for neumorphic shapes on one page. That's it. And then you're required to share your assignment to Neumorphic Creatives at gmail.com. Cool. Share your assignment to Neumorphic at gmail.com. So this is the assignment. This is the last assignment on graphic design. This is the last assignment. We have done so many exercises, so many different designs that will help you grow your skill toward designing anything. So if you will be done with this assignment, you can proceed to designing a website, designing a mobile application, so that when we are done with this, later we will be able to design we will be able to develop a website from this after we are pros in design. So thank you so much. Take a good look at this assignment. Make sure that you do it. Make sure you submit it to the email that is given there, and don't quit. We have so many. Remember, Neumorphic Design Creatives is 100% youth empowerment program. So believe it or not, we have so much at our disposal. Please don't leave this. We also have a video editing program which is ongoing. You can also join it if you feel that you have some interest, or if you feel that you want to do video editing. It's a very nice skill to have. If you have that skill and you get this skill, you combine them together, you will become the best freelancer. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Remember to subscribe and like, share, write something, write some comment, say something so that we can improve on our next tutorials. So thank you for this and have a nice time.